Here we go. And folks, on the last few cars, look over there in the middle of the depot on your left-hand side and wave goodbye to your depot master. Her name is Mia. Let's tell Mia we'll see her in a day or 2 a week at the most, but we have never been gone more than a week. Bye, Mia. See you later. Hold the fort down for us while we're gone. Bye-bye. Hey, how about giving these folks waiting up here in the village gates a big old crowd and real loud? Real quick. 1, 2, 3. Woo! All right. See you later, everybody. Have a great day here in Dollywood. Bye-bye. Up ahead on the right-hand side is our old-fashioned disco. That's where you can get yourself some of that world-famous Dollywood cinnamon bread. It is baked hot and fresh every day the park is open, and it is yummy for your tummy. Bye-bye, everybody out there in Craftsman's Valley. Y'all have fun with us. We'll see you back in a little while. All right, we're rolling over through the Owens Farm Crossing. We got Conductor Marco here keeping everybody safe. Thank you, Marco. Keep those chickens fed for us while we're gone. Bye-bye, everybody. We'll see you later. Have a great day. All right, I'm going to let you know a little bit about this piece of rolling history you're riding behind. It all started December 7th, 1941, the attack on Pearl Harbor and America's involvement in World War II.
Oh, Lord. Here we go.
The highway would be needed to protect Alaska from invasion. So in 1942, the U.S. Army took over the White Pass of the Yukon Railroad and built the Alcan Military Highway. April of 1943, the Baldwin locomotive side of Eddystone, Pennsylvania, built our narrow gauge Mikado style engine number 192. She weighs about 211,500 pounds. Commissioner of the United States Army and shipped her up to Skagway, Alaska, where they put her to work on the White Pass of the Yukon Railroad, hauling supplies and materials on the Alcan Military Highway in support of the war effort. Tons of supplies and materials, along with thousands of troops and personnel to build that highway. Up to 34 trains ran each day in support of road construction, just like our Engine 192 up ahead. In only 9 months, so it seemed impossible at that time. It was impossible. The Alcan Military Highway was completed on time. I bet you folks didn't even realize you were right behind a true veteran of World War II. Here in Dollywood, we're proud of our vets from all branches of the military, and the thoughts and prayers go to those on active duty around the world today. So Engine 192 was retired from White Pass of the Yukon Railroad in 1960, and later on in 1961, she was purchased by an East Tennessee two-card named Railroad, and it was on this very property that she affectionately became known as Klondike Katie. Hey, when I look up there, the engine cloud that waves the engineer, that's Julie driving the train. Hello, Julie, you done a great job. So Railroad became Gold Rush Junction and later on Silver Dollar City. And in 1986, a pretty lady by the name of Miss Dolly Walker came along, and she renamed Silver Dollar City Dollywood, for which it is known to this very day. And Engine 192 Klondike Katie is the original attraction here on the park, and she's been running hard boots ever since 1961. How about that? She's a really cool loco. All right, let's just sit back and relax as we head on up higher in the mountain.
There ain't no
We go 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle. Let's give our engineer a big hand. And that was engineer Julie and engine number 192, Klondike Katie, saying thank you so much for the applause.